Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Simone here. I am going to try the new hottest trend, which is the hair paint wax that I'm sure you guys have seen if you are a natural curly girl on temporary hair color. So I picked up the Amazon knockoff because I'm an Amazon girl and I always order the Amazon stuff. So I picked up the Mofajang hair coloring material. I've tried this before in gold and I didn't film it, so I wanted to try this nice pretty red color. I wanted to make a bang for spring, and as you know, this week's theme, because I'm starting a new theme kind of series on my channel where I do 1 week of each theme. We'll see how long that lasts and we'll see how long that people respond to that, but because I'm a Gemini, I have so many interests. I could be here and then there and then there. I was like, let me just focus and let me just do 1 week of this, 1 week of that, and see how that goes. So I hope you guys like it, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I apply this to my hair, and of course I'll be giving you a review along the way of how I like it. So yeah, stay tuned you guys. So my hair has been freshly co-washed. I washed it a few days ago. I don't like to wash it that frequently. And I'm going to actually spray it with some water. Make sure it's all wet. And I'll actually be applying some leave-in conditioner first, and then I'll be putting the hair paint wax on. Okay, so the wax itself is very messy. When I used the gold paint, I was like, whoa. So it is water soluble, but I do recommend having like a towel around you and then a separate towel just to wipe your hands off, because honestly it's kind of messy. So let's just put a towel on. So here we go. Gonna take about this much, go like this, put it all over my hands, and then apply it to the hair. A lot of people start at the root. I'm supposed to bring my Now my hands are all kind of sticky. It is kind of iridescent. It's like a little bit interesting, fun color. It's not quite like bright red. It's more like a pinky red. But that's good because I didn't want like bright red hair, because I'll be going to work with this. Hopefully. It is Saturday, so we'll see. Mommy's doing her hair. She's making it red. You like the color?
Like the color red.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, I realized that I should have actually done my leave-in first up there, but you know, you live and you learn.
Baby.
I'm putting hair color on my hair. See?
It's
Is it pink? It's pink red.
pink and red. I want to do Mom's hair.
Okay. Okay, so my hair has completely dried, and I ended up not blow drying it actually, and just kind of just fluffing it out with my fingers. So this is like what the color looks like in like low light, dark light. I have my ring light on, but only one half of it is out. So actually a very nice, pretty auburn, maybe like maroon type of color. I've always wanted to dye my hair this color, so this is perfect and I'm loving it. I would totally consider dyeing my whole head this color because it is super, super cute. I'm super happy with the color. But I did want to give you guys a full review and breakdown of exactly what I thought of the product and how much I used and all of that stuff. So we'll start with how much I used. So the whole Mofajang hair color material is 4.23 flowing ounces. I have a lot of hair and I really only used a little bit. So I would say I used like maybe 1 ounce of it. I definitely think I have like 4 more uses left. And honestly, I think it was a really good deal because it was $10 on Amazon. So the pros to using this product is it gives you beautiful hair color, and it also made my hair super defined. I don't know if you can tell, but my curls are very defined. They're very shiny, very pretty. Like this side is very nice. So definitely another pro is the definition, the shine, the color. So definitely liking all those things. Another pro is all of, I can't think, you guys. Another pro is how easy it was to put on. You only have to do a leave-in underneath it, and then on top of it you just put on the product. So it's very easy. You just go like this with your hands and rake it through. So I would say that is, you know, it's super easy to apply. Another pro is that it does last as long as you want it to, like before you wash your hair. So I could probably have this last, oh, the other half of my ring light just started working, cool. So I could probably have this last for 3 or 4 days if I don't wash my hair, which I'm not planning to. So I'll probably let my coworkers see it on Monday and wonder why my hair is a different color. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna use this for a little bit. I might even do a little bit of a twist out or something. So yeah, definitely that's another pro. Another pro is that it is washable. So I haven't washed my clothes that have it on there, but it does transfer a little bit, which will be one of the cons. But yeah, so far, yeah, I like it. Okay, moving on to the cons of this product. So my biggest con right now is going to be the transfer. So you can see my hands. They're kind of pinkish just from raking my hands through my hair. My neck, like what the heck? My neck looks like someone's choked me, and I even wiped it all off, and then it still has this. So I think next time I would not put it on my underlayers, or just like start at a certain level so it wouldn't get on my neck. I think it's a little bit on my ears too. It's also like on my scalp, so I'm gonna have to wash that out, and right here too, so that looks kind of weird. And like the only other con is that it makes fine hair really weighed down. I don't think this is for the super fine curlies out there. If you have thick hair, or if you have hair that like needs some definition or takes really well to that, then this is definitely the product for you. If you have super fine hair, like I would never put this on my daughter's hair. She's only 3, but like I wouldn't put this on her hair because she has such fine hair. So that's definitely a con, is that it's not for everybody. It's definitely for natural hair types and probably more like thick and like kind of coarser hair. Definitely not for the super fine curls. And my hair's pretty fine, but I have a lot of it, so I think I was able to get away with it. But yeah, those are pretty much the pros and the cons. I mean, for 10 bucks, why not try it? I think it's super fun to do temporary hair color. I've always wanted to do this. This exact hair color was on my vision board for 2018, and I never did it, but it's 2019 and I did it, so I'm like super excited. So cool, yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried it. And if you want to see more of these, I might try the blue one, I might try the purple one. But I'm loving the color. I think the color is gorgeous. So yeah, I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and happy hair week for those of you who have been keeping up with my channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. You know the drill, guys. Alright, I will talk to you later. Bye!